Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about circles, arcs, and spline. So to begin with circle, in order for you to draw a circle, you will click on this circle tool on the drawing panel, or alternatively, you can type C. Just type C and then enter. Then you specify the center of the circle on the screen. Then you move your mouse depending on the distance that you want, or you can type the distance in units. Let's say 5. Then you click enter. After clicking enter, the circle will be there. To draw an arc, you type arc, A-R-C. Alternatively, in the drawing panel, there is always an arc tool where you can click on it. Then you click on it. Then it will ask you to specify the starting point. You specify on the screen. You have to specify 3 points. That is the first point, the second point, the third point to draw an arc. To draw a spine, you will type SPLINE. Then you specify the starting point. A spine is actually a series of points that forms different arcs. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will use the spline when drawing, let's say, a boundary that is not a straight line. It have curves. You'll use spline. Similarly to circles, you can use, let's say, for pillars and so on, for benchmarks, so on, depending on the needs. So that's how we draw the circle, the arc, and the spline. Thank you. See you in the next video.